Hello everyone, I am Bachaspati Mem Dhaneshwari Sharma. I am an English teacher of class 9 and 10. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discuss the second part of lesson number 2, Macbeth. In the first part, we have seen that since Macbeth had decided to murder the king, he stealthily climbed towards the king's bedchamber. So let's see what happens next. Macbeth opened the door of the king's chamber and he saw that the king was sleeping on his bed. The two attendants or the two caretakers were also sleeping on their stools and they were in a drunken state. Then he also saw that two daggers of the caretakers were lying on the bed of the king. It was actually kept by Lady Macbeth. She would have killed the king herself, but the white hair of the king lying on the pillow somehow reminded her of her own father, so she didn't accomplish the task. Instead of that, she just kept the dagger on the king's bed. So what Macbeth did was he took the daggers on each one of his hands and he stabbed the king straight away. Why he stabbed the king right away was because he was afraid that he might lose his courage if he make any further delays. So that's why he straight away stabbed the king. The king neither moved nor produced any sound, but lots of blood were coming out of its body to such an extent that it covered both the daggers. Macbeth, as per the plan, he was supposed to leave the daggers on the bed, but instead of that, he just came out of the room in a half conscious state and he was still holding the dagger on his bloody hands and he descended the stairs. Once he reached the hall, he met Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth was waiting for him. So as soon as he saw Lady Macbeth, he told her that he had murdered the king and he was also muttering to himself. Lady Macbeth Lady Macbeth was disturbed when she heard her husband's mutterings. Aduga especially nasagi Duncan sina daggers to hamra leave tauram the bida bed chamber do leave tauram haraga leave tauram the bida mana dum makutu the pyraga eat bathangani do puraga lak pas Lady Macbeth so matik mas sounding eba. Aduga Lady Macbeth na kay harake have matam sida nang kanodo chatlo nang bed chamber do the thang do thamuro aduga grooms ani do the do taishaluro duga wash your filthy hands, wash your blood-stained hands and hide eba ko nang ginamti ba hingna hingtay raba na kuto hamdo uro na hide eba. But Macbeth refused. Kay ginomana refused to say haibagi maram di ko ngasagi Duncan gi asiba hakchang do dead body je mazna amukha na yeng ba pam dreba. So what Lady Macbeth did was she snatched the dagger away from him and ran back to the chamber. Aduga Macbeth did do magi itay ba makhut sida ko mas dazed or raga stupefied or raga mas dum yeng ga laireba. Macbeth ki nupi sina ko Lady Macbeth sina thang je thamuraga halakpa phawba ko she found him in the same state ko. Suddenly there was a loud knocking on the outer gate. Thong se dang 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 thilak pasida Lady Macbeth sina ko this means danger have se khangbadagi she dragged him away to their chamber ko. Aduduna makoi se changre aduga kana kana oirame thong thilak ido kana kana oiramage haiba matam sida it was two of Duncan's noblemen Lennox and Macduff. Makoi se kai do bolak pano haiba matam sida they came to awaken the king ko. Aduga Macbeth sina su khangaba ma se makut masaga hamdo aga Mase calm and composed oireba. He greeted them aduduga makoi se ngasagi ningthau se hogdokpa lakpane habase khangbadagi di ko he led Macduff to the door of the king's chamber aduduga madi changreba mama sadi kaigino mana changri se manung do oiramgadaba scene se ma khangeba Macbeth se hangaba aduga he came down and he started speaking with Lennox ko adagidi ngasagi Macduff sina kadaure suddenly he ran back to them and he was shouting in horror that the king was murdered ko adagidi mi myam se loina ma punglang lang na re ko ngasagi palace se dedi mana alarm bell do ring taw negative masai phamnai ba myam ko se mana ka thu eba noi bu ka dai da lege thoglo Benko thoglo Malcolm thoglo Donald Ben thoglo ningthau se murder tawra me na sumaina koi raw law budagi di palace se pungnin nil leba hangaba. Then Lennox and Macbeth went up to the king's bed chamber aduduga makoina ure kai urage haba matam sra Duncan gi asiba hakchang aduduga ngasagi groom mani duna hambra hingna hingtai raba phizon set pa do hambra adudu ure aduna Macbeth na yamna saubagi mawong se utsan raga ko mana hatokhreba groom mani makse ko adagidi lady Macbeth sidi kadawre yamna innocent oibagi mawong sida alarm bell ring tawrise kaidawbagi no kaina ga mase hangaga da thogle ebako adagidi mi myam sina hangnarak pasida Macbeth sina yamna excited oina mana explain taweba maram se hangaba groom ani duna ningthauduna hippaga leiraga mabani sina ihing na hinga ta taiba phiron nga ta leirame makhoigi mafi maron do i nga ta ngaire duna mabani na hatpo oiramani na ina hatokre kaina ga tawraga yamna excited oina masina explain tawraga leibase sida lady Macbeth na pakhat leba haibadi makhoida chingna gidrana pakhat leba ko hangaba Chingnabam su tokpani haibadi makhoigi mayumdani dana la amido King Duncan sina khangaba aduna mana kadawrage haiba matam sida she pretended to faint away aduna masina wantha sanaram nina magi chamber du pusala changreba duga benko sina kai hairake haiba matam sida akoina ko akoi phiron se sechalasi aduga then we all must meet in the hall kaidongna bagi damak ta hall do unase haino haiba matam sida to devise a way to discover the murderers and punish them in haina rebako adagi di kadawrage haiba matam sida Malcolm ga Donald Ben ga dine makoi se makoi gi mapa do hat khrabani na makoi do soidana life attack tawra ani se khangeba aduna kadawrage haiba matam sida Donald Ben fled to Ireland and Malcolm took refuge in England ko adagidi makoina hall sida punba matam sida di Malcolm ga Donald Ben ga leitabase sigi chain gi basigi khudong chaba lauraga Macbeth put the blame on them for the murder of the king makoina hat poramgani makoina ning thawaining mandana na mana haizalle mi atei myamduna di believe tawi except Benko kaigino Benko na believe taw ridi kaigino haba matam sida madi prophecy do hairakpa matam sida Macbeth ki reaction se kamain taw gi ge do madi chapchana khanghowe boko adudana adur tarsu ngasai gi Benko se tumina dum laiye boko so Scotland was left without an heir aduna makoi mayam sina kadawrage haba matam sida they chose Macbeth as the king of Scotland kaidobagino makoi na Macbeth se king of Scotland oina choose tawri stay haibagi maram diko First, he was a kinsman of King Duncan. Second, he was a very mighty soldier. Sigi maram anisi dagi ko masibu ningthawoina choose tawreba aduna sumaina tawdana ngasagi second prophecy sisu fulfill tawgre aduga third prophecy Macbeth ningthawoini haibase sisu fulfill tawre eba ado ningthaw se oire hai taraga su Macbeth se mase harau bangam deba mase nungai bangam deba kaigino mana harau bangam driba nungai bangam dri se haiba maram sidi ko Macbeth se ngasagi which mayamduna Benko the hagiba prophecy that he would become the father of kings haibase mana dum mase ningsangaga sigi maram sira mase dum khallaga layeba aduna mase nungaina leithokpa ngamdeba aduga Benko gi machanupa amakhakta pokchaba machanupa ama lay Fleance ka weba ko sigi Fleance na magi ningthokubum se mungi doira na mase dum pakhatlaga layreba ko aduga Benko siga mabani sisu amaga maga yana daba se haure eba kaigino Benko na Macbeth se yaningdri se haiba maram sidi kaigino haiba matam sira Duncan se ko Macbeth na hat pane se Benko sina khangeba aduga Macbeth sina Benko se yaningdri sigi maram di kaigino haiba matam sira magi machanupa sina ningthaw oirakani na haibado adudugi mase pakhatpadagi neba hangaba then Macbeth arranged a grand supper for his courtiers after his coronation mana ningthaw oiraba matungda ni ko mana sillise khangaba and he invited Benko as a chief guest of the function adubu Benko dudi adugi numit sida Fleance ka loine na mase thaba ama chatkani adubu ai soidana di halakani na hairame ba Benko sina ko adai di Macbeth sina kadawrage haiba matam sida Benko ga Fleance kana lakadaba lambi se sidai sida murderers khara ne aga mana thamme ba duga ngasai gi Benko ga Fleance kana lakadori ba lambi se sidai sida ngairo duga mabani na hek lakpaga mabani makse hatokadaba ni na mana order tawraga thamgre ba aduna nungdang wai salakpa sida Benko siga Fleance ka lakpa sida ko ngasai gi murderers sing sina Benko sidi makoina hato e ba ko mangak se kakthalaga hato e aduga magi dead body se they flung it into a ditch ko ngasagi like makoina Benko sidi hato e aduga Benko gi dead body se they flung it into a ditch adubu unfortunately ngasagi Fleance di mayamam bagi khudong jaba lauraga madi chain grave ko aduga somda di kadawre Macbeth ki magi party se haure ko yamna pomp and shows da tawraga yamna ko yam phajana magi ko functions se organize tawre aduga ngasagi laibak tu gi phamnai ba courtiers mayam se according to their rank and degree ko makoi se mai mafam chana phamme aduga Macbeth sina he warmly welcomed all his guests ko adubu kamai taw guest da murderers se hangaba sigi manungda ama mana uba matam sidane mana loina magi guest mayam se loina thado amaga murderers se unaba chatpa sida mi mayam se kaigino ne ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯒꯂꯤ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑꯃꯒꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯦꯛꯕꯦꯠꯇꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯕꯦꯡꯀꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥꯟꯁꯇꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯀꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯅꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯟꯖꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯁꯣꯔꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯁꯦ ꯐꯨꯝꯕꯪꯅꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯂꯦꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯛꯕꯦꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯎꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤ descended from her throne aduduga mana ngasagi Macbeth sida your friends are waiting for you na mana kausalae aduga Macbeth sina ko kaisumta tawdabagi mawong sida mi myam siga wari watai sanadana ko mana taram na oktana dumaina tawreba khangaba adagidi moigi leibaki phamnaiba myam duna Macbeth sina phamthadabida dum leibasidane hangaba makoina akoi marakta phamse na haiba matam sida Macbeth sina the tables full and haire eba ko aigondadi ahangba amta leite ne phampham amta leite ne na hairak pasida mi myam se loinga eba kaigino haiba matam sida makhoi marak sida there was a vacant seat ko aduduna makhoi myam se nga e adubu Macbeth ki mamit tadine hambra kana gumba ma phamme ba huziki ma pham sida khangaba maning on thoga manangan on thoga phamme ba aduga mana munna yengchan ma matam sida ne hangaba mi se leithore e mamai do aduga kanagi mamai oiramge haiba matam sida benko gi pel oraba ihing na hinga ta tairaba magi mamai se si oileramme ba adu ubasida Macbeth se hamra mase yamna kire aduga which of you have done this and mase yamna kina ko hamra yamna pakhat pagaloina na mase laure eba ko adu mi atai dudi kanamta kaimta upote ba karibuno ining thaw na hang eba adu da Lady Macbeth ne di khange mase magi murum son ba magi mamita pangudu ubase mase si haura amani se khange eba aduna Lady Macbeth na la aga ko mase na Macbeth se मासे ज्ञान अमुक तारकनाब होटनारेबा फाइनली ngasagi Macbeth की mamang da uramiba dugumba stool da phamiba benko gi saktam se se vanish tawgre aduga Macbeth sina kadaroge haba matam sra yamna cheerful oiba yamna heartiness ka loina na ko mana ne toast ama raise taweba aduga toast se kana da dedicate tawrino haba matam sra ngasagi tilliba miyam amadi specially to benko se dedicate tawraga mana toast se raise tawbaneba aduga mana toast se raise tawrakan sra mana glass se machiman da gi lokthoga mana phamda ge ne hek tawba matam sra magi maning sida benko gi ne hambra pel oiba saktam se mangonda monna yengaga leibase ureba aduduga ngasagi but sida nang chatkhro na mana uriba saktam sira laubase haureba Lady Macbeth sina she tried to control the situation again adubu handakti ne hangaba ngasagi tilliba miyam se Macbeth sida loina mangak aga ko amazed oiraga silent oiraga mi kanam taga wari ga sanadana mangonda loina magyenga leireba mi miyam se hangaba aduna Lady Macbeth sina masidi kanara roi magi sigumba gyan mangbagi condition sida kari hairakadoino se khangde ne mana ngasagi tilliba ko mayam se hangaba no khoi mayam loinamak chatpigro the function is ended here without any ceremony without any order matang swasida loisalle haraga mana mi mayam se loinamak chalhangre ba Lady Macbeth sin. So for today, let's finish our discussion for the second part here. Before we end, let's have a quick recap of today's video. Macbeth became the king of Scotland, but he was not happy. His mind was restless. So what he did was he hired some murderers and he killed Banquo. But Fleance somehow escaped the situation. So his misery and his anxiety came back and he started hallucinating and his mind was filled with horror. So we will see what happened next in the third part of this video. Thank you everyone.